Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're gonna be cooking some delicious fajitas. And you know what? We're just gonna get started right now. No more talking. Maybe I told the story. We're gonna talk a little bit more. Cheers to my current friends and to my new friends. Woo! Got some nice serranos here and some bell peppers, 2 different colors. Good old yellow onion, and the star of the show, the fajita meat. Now I get my fajita meat from the butcher directly and marinate it myself. I will get you guys that recipe when I have time. And of course, I shredded some cheese. You know, if you don't use your own shredded cheese, somebody will say something. So don't use the bagged cheese, gentlemen, ladies. Shred your own cheese. If you don't, you're gonna hear about it in the comments. All right. So we're just gonna do some knife work here, and we're gonna knock this out real quick, and then we're gonna get this outside on the griddle. And man, I'm hungry now. So let's get to work. All right, so the knife work is complete. We're gonna go ahead straight out to the grill and get to work. I had this Members Mark griddle, you know, kind of like a Blackstone, but not really a Blackstone. And you know, I used it a couple times. I converted it to natural gas, which makes it much easier. I just plug it in and, you know, get off and running, no bottles or anything like that. But I decided that this wasn't the best option for me, you know, it's not. So check this out. So I have my Napoleon Rogue. This is a 425 RXT. Now, this thing is badass. It does about everything you could possibly think of. You know, it's connected to natural gas back here. And look what I got. The Plancha, ladies and gentlemen. I got the Plancha, and it's steaming like a demon. So basically, this $45 piece right here turns my thing into a Blackstone, and I'm telling you, it is delicious. It's awesome. So basically, I can get another one of these and put it over here, and then, you know, have all that space. But I'm one man, so this is enough space for me. So let's get to work. We're gonna go ahead and oil this bad boy up, flatten it out. All right, veggies first. We're gonna go ahead and stir these around, get them nice and coated in oil, nice and flat here. Then we'll pull them and get to the star of the show, that meat. Get some Dano's spicy seasoning on here. Man, if you guys haven't put Dano's on anything, tell you what, put some Dano's on here. You're gonna love it. It's delicious. You could put fajita seasoning or something like that, but this Dano's fire. Almost done here, then we get to the meat, you know? So get to the meats. And then we'll do some tortillas. We got some little mini mites over here today. And then we'll be ready to eat. All right, so our fajita vegetables are done, and everything is looking nice and delicious. And we're gonna go ahead and get some oil on here. We're gonna do this meat. That's it right there. Give that a few minutes and we'll be ready to eat, boys. We're ready to pull it. We're gonna put it over here and we're gonna grab some tortillas. We're gonna, you know, hit these real quick and then we'll be ready to eat. These are the last bit. We're gonna get these done, then we're going in the house. We have our tortillas. They're nice and delicious. I mean, man, I ate one of those by itself earlier. Psh, crazy. So we have our fajitas, all our fajita ingredients. We got this nice juicy meat here and our fajita veggies, and some cheese, and what we have is some chili habanero hot sauce. Dude, this stuff is hella good. So let's just go ahead and assemble one real quick, and then you know, we'll do some eats. Then after that, I'm gone, man. I'm hungry. So let me go ahead and grab a couple pieces of this meat here, some fajita veggies. Make sure I get some of that pepper in there, the hot pepper, not the rest of these. A little bit more onion. And how about a little cheese, right? Cheese makes everything better. All right, a little cheese there. Now, for the other star of the show, the hot sauce. It's not really a star of the show, but it's black as shit and it's good. Kind of like myself. Anyway, I guess it's a fajita taco fajita, whatever, dude. I mean, it smells delicious. Let's just get into this right now. That was a super messy bite. You should definitely do that with 2 hands. I'll tell you what, man, there's nothing about that is not good. It's super delicious. Hey, Look, I'm gonna get out of here, man. I'm super hungry. Woo, that stuff is spicy. I need to get a drink of something. I don't know, maybe a drink of tequila, but I gotta go, man. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.